Good morning, middle school staff. Wanted to let you know that I've checked with a couple of other staff about the Screenomatic, the way that you could record and upload a video, and they have been able to do that. It seems to be working pretty well, and I would encourage you to give it a try if you're struggling with trying to get some content up there. I do think that a familiar face right now is best for kids, and be encouraging kids in a recent announcement that I just put up. I was just trying to get kids to collaborate with other kids. There's probably somewhere upwards of like 60 or 70 kids total that have not logged into their Google Classrooms yet for whatever reason. We're still diagnosing some of the kids that don't have Wi-Fi access and what we can do with that. But I would encourage, I see a lot of kids that I'm almost positive they have access, that they just haven't looked at their Google Classroom and started that process. So if you could encourage your classes to do that, I think it would be good, especially early on here as we get going with some kind of online content. Just a reminder that our intention here is to connect kids with school and continue the connections that we've had. It's not that we're going to hold them accountable to quizzes and tests and the same kind of content that we've always been having, and that this can be more for a review, if you want to think of it like that, an extension. Certainly, if you want to go into some new kinds of learning and new kinds of content, you certainly can. Just remember that officially we're not grading things as we have done in the past, because we don't have 100% of our kids. But what you can do is just keeping tallies with who's involved and who's not. And our intention is to make sure that they're finding themselves and figuring out how to get through this rough patch in their education. And you're a big part of it. I believe it every day. I've been thrilled with your response so far. So keep up the great work, and as is always the case, have make contact with me if you have any questions. Thanks.